Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is for the April STL Patreon, the 3D prints and proxy for your Warhammer games, your tabletop as well, and also Dungeons and Dragons. If you guys haven't, please subscribe, like, and share. If you do enjoy the video, leave a comment which one you do like. I do talk to a lot of these content creators, and they like to have a lot of input as well on what to make next, polling, and so forth as well. And check out our Patreon and Discord page as well. So if I sound kind of low down, it's just that we have a little bit of medical issue in the household right now, and I'm just been very exhausted. Well, anyhow, let's get started. Part one. We're gonna look at Moid. We are collaborating with each other. I am gonna be printing a few of his models for March and a few of his models for this month's April for that and painting it. And the video should be up within a week or two. I just got to get a lot of stuff, try to get a lot of stuff done at the same time. There's a lot of work. I'm working with a huge swarm of Tyranids right now for my friend, and I'm also using that to make my own content for that as well. So Moid's pretty good. Uh, Basically, you get like a 6 millimeter for like $5, and you can actually resize it. And for for all the access for digital downloads and everything else, it's like $10 as well. It's pretty reasonable. It's very good. You get a couple of the old ones as well. A very nice person too. Uh, the creator, Moid, is a very nice person. I talked to him and probably do like an interview for the channel. I do not know yet, but we'll see how it goes. For this month, it is Voltan stuff. And I see there is a paywall to see the pictures for it. But not to worry, I am going to get out the Discord for this as well. That's one thing I should let them know. See here, announcements. Here we go. So it's the Voltan, and also we have the trucks for that as well. But it's a pretty good model. You can use these for your kill teams. I know the Voltan kill teams is very expensive. You can use this as basically a proxy for your game with your friends as well. And I believe there's a tank too in here. Here we go. And there's your tank for that comes with it for $10 as well. And no, that's no, that already that should. I don't know if it's this tank or not, but you get the gist of it for it. But check out Moid. The links are down below on my channel that we are collaborating, be painting and doing a lot of stuff for him as well. And this was for March. Did some female pinups, and we did also do battle tech as well. Next is STL Creator Sampler. And we have Creator Sampler is basically showing like what's out. A lot of times, the STL Creator Sampler has like all the free samples and stuff, and they'll put it all together. This is a Kickstarter that someone have, but it is not too bad to just look around and see what's really going on for a lot of things. You get a lot of free stuff as well when you do it. They just do all the looking for you and just put it all in one little thing for you guys as well. My K is usually a lot of stuff that she has is free, and a lot of time you can get some exclusive model ones as well. So you get the core one for free. So basically that for your terrains and stuff. They sporadically update a lot of stuff throughout the times as well. You should go check them out. Primal Beast Builder. They're having March release. Looks like it is the Blue Eyes White Dragon and Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. You get the Baby Dragon. I am definitely getting this. I am not a really big Yu-Gi-Oh fan, but come on. Have Blue Eyes White Dragon in your damn D&D game. That would be so freaking awesome. Everyone's gonna have childhood memories. Oh my god. I remember owning Blue Eyes White Dragon when it first came out. It wasn't. I think it was a Kaiba box set. It was really good. So yeah. So Blue Eyes White Dragon. Um, that brings back so much memory. Red Clay. I don't know if anything's gonna happen with Red Clay. Usually, if there are stuff that is coming out for that hasn't shown yet, I do move it all the way in the back to revisit it for that as well. So Dragon's Lake miniature. We do have some feral hounds. There are things like very, if you play Age of Sigmar, you could probably get like the beast faction with these things for proxies, but I have a very hard time trying to figure out a way to use this on my games or the miniature because I've seen better ones in my opinion, but that's really up to you. But you use it as a tabletop for the beastkin for Age of Sigmar or Warcry. That's what I'll probably use it for. Okay, Nutshell Stellar. Let me see if anything came up. Or, huh, there's like nothing for March. So, March, post-apocalyptic girl. Okay, that is going to be revisited. Kelton Sculpt, another figure Patreon for 3D prints. We have James Bond for it. I was not really a big fan of James Bond, but my parents were. But yeah, we got this one. I have no idea what this one's from. This year, April. These are the vote. I don't know what the votes is, but we'll probably revisit it towards part 7 or 8 of the video. So Steven V. Sculpt, another figure, one as well. So we got a some kind of ghoulies. Probably was a part of a movie that I know about. We got Hermione Ranger on a broom with a bikini. The Red Sonja and Vampira. I think that was mostly for last month, but we revisit that as well. Mythic Bull for this one. I think this month. Oh shit! I forgot. Last month was the Lollipop Chainsaw Girl. Oh well. So we have this one for Mythic Bull. If you do play Blood Bowl, get this. I think it's a lot better model than the one for what you call it. You know, the one that Games Workshop makes as well. You have an Armored Knights one as well, Volume 1. I wonder if I can get this one. This is March release, Star Trek Volume 3, but oh well. I don't think it was that good of a sculpt. Chichula STL collection. I don't think nothing came out for April yet. I know that's February model, so nothing for April yet. Hell Creator, another video game and anime figure one as well for April release. I believe it is Dishonest, and I forgot his name. That was in Mass Effect. They released the models for it. I never played Dishonest 2, but I played 1. I did play all the Mass Effect as well. But there's your bust. Those are like $10 for those as well. Broken Anvil Monthly. They used to have a lot of minis. I don't know if they release minis for this month. Roadmap shipping. I know they do a lot more paints like stuff, but that's all I know for it. 3D Raptor Studio. Let's see here. Beholder, NAS. That's one thing. I really want to see pictures, and I don't really want to see videos. Uh, Let me see what they're really working on. Let's see what we got. Beholder, Nif, and Asmodeus. Okay. I'm guessing this is Nif. Hmm. The Barbarian Fighter Girl. There's the Beholder. There's like a lot of different type of yodel you can get your hands on for monster stuff. And I think that's it. Those three this month. And anime girl STL. I don't know. This person has stuff ready for April girl. That's locked. Stop locking your photos. How would people buy your stuff if you keep locking your damn photos? Asgard Rising miniature. Looks like they're having a Kickstarter out. March release. Usually don't have April release yet, but looks like some kind of a Celtic style they're doing for this month. Invictus. I don't know what Invictus is doing. April download. So you have a machine crane on 4 helicopter. Yeah, I just hopefully. Well, this is the welcome one. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like is people like to lock photos and people think we'll pay them a dollar. Some people will, but I'm not the type of person who would do that. So we have Electra, February. I think nothing came out for March or April for this guy. So we go next one. And last one, Bio Breed Studio, another video game and anime figure as well. Nothing out for April for those as well. So we'll revisit that when we have a chance. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord as well. And also check out our Moid, or the people that we're collaborating with. Down the link below as well. Talk to you guys later and have a great day, guys. Bye.